The roaring 20s became a different time for all of America as the economy took a massive plummet. The Depression sank about every industry like a stone, and families of every class felt the impact. Throughout the Hoovervilles set up around Riverbend, there was one man who seemed prosperous despite it all. A master manipulator with creative ways to collect his debts. Carter Bale was a moonshiner who specialized in his craft. He was a savior to the working man and the devil to the preachers in town, providing some of the finest corn liquor in the area. If he wasn't using his silver tongue to work his way out of a jam, he was never afraid to get his hands dirty when money was involved. And many drunkards